Hi kids, today we will learn Roman numerals from 41 to 60 with number words. Let's begin. 41 in Roman numerals 41 in words FORTYONE 41. 42 in Roman numerals 42 in words FORTYTWO 42. 43 in Roman numerals 43 in words FOREYTHREE 43. 44 in Roman numerals 44 in words FORTYFOUR 44. 45 in Roman numerals 45 in words FORTYFIVE 45. Great work! You are learning so fast. 46 in Roman numerals 46 in words FORTYSIX 46. 47 in Roman numerals 47 in words FORTYSEVEN 47. 48 in Roman numerals 48 in words FORTYEIGHT 48. 49 in Roman numerals 49 in words FORTYNINE 49. 50 in Roman numerals 50 in words FIFTY 50. Wow, you are doing amazing. Let's learn the next set. 51 in Roman numerals 51 in words FIFTYONE 51. 52 in Roman numerals 52 in words FIFTYTWO 52. 53 in Roman numerals 53 in words FIFTYTHREE 53. 54 in Roman numerals 54 in words FIFTYFOUR 54. 55 in Roman numerals 55 in words FIFTYFIVE 55. Excellent! Keep it up. 56 in Roman numerals 56 in words FIFTYSIX 56. 57 in Roman numerals 57 in words FIFTYSEVEN 57. 58 in Roman numerals 58. In words FIFTYEIGHT 58. 59. In Roman numerals 59. In words FIFTYNINE 59. 60. In Roman numerals 60. In words SIXTY 60. Yay! You have learned Roman numerals from 41 to 60 along with number words. You did a fantastic job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time, kids. Bye bye. Take care.